Take tax and me. Hey, hear me the TICTAC van sound. Oh, the boy you move like the name the wrong part of the first. You hear me, Omar, you hear me the quarter. You hear me the tinger. You hear me the germs. Oh, the bumbo clap with them boy, you them think that chattings. A bumbo clap knockings. Right? I did TICTAC van sound apply. Why? Them they right away, yeah. Little boy, we tell you quiet. Lock up your blood clot mouth and quiet. When you hear Omara talk, you better quiet. Before the war, you turn out in a riot. Listen it, some boy just lock off. Plug out your fucking laptop and lock off. Lock up your money for the next stop. Right in front of the crowd, you don't pay a go walk. Young quarter, we not talk again. Just to them already, so no, we not talk again. One thing left we do, I just slaughter them. Two gunshot all both all part of them. Make them fans, them a ball, I water them. Use that body and a soccer them. Little boy king that set the quiet. Lock up your blood clot mouth and quiet. Germs attack, little boy you feel quiet. Before the war you turn out in a riot. Listen me, son boy me say lock off. Plug out your fucking laptop and lock off. Lock up your mouth when no man. Big thing, big time. A sound is in sorrow, a sound is in pain. Enough little sound boys don't know, no shame, no. I hear them massive, them shouting out TICTAC's name. Yeah. Ooh, on and on we go. Where we'll end up, no one knows, but it feels right. TICTAC sound is gonna kill a little sound tonight. Make me stand, cause TICTAC now bow. Rasta love them now and that's no girl. It feels right. TICTAC is gonna kill another sound tonight. And there's one thing some boys should understand. Murder in the tip and TICTAC sound plan. Sound will die tonight. Even if it puts up a fight, you got your sound and I've got mine. But TICTAC sound is the champion sound. And it feels right. TICTAC is gonna lift up little tin and then sorrow. Yeah. Lift up little tin and won't get to see tomorrow. They will be hurt. There'll be a musical pain.
Alright. TICTAC sound. Omar, tinger, germs, and germs. We might dance one another while they're dancing. Run it. This is TICTAC affair. We used to live Charlie school and dance together. Play football and cricket as much rather. Not to the best of jungle
my champion song called TICTAC from St. Elizabeth. Big up Omar, Germs, Tinger, Fire, Energy, and Quarter. This is for the Roots live and direct on them keys. TICTAC, run things. Hey, Omar the boss. Wow. TICTAC the number one champion song in town. I live for the Roots say so. You trying to kill TICTAC sound. You never will kill TICTAC sound. But you just can't kill TICTAC sound. And you never will kill TICTAC sound. Someone going around and saying that you are the greatest. That isn't the right thing to do. TICTAC come to tell you, you'll soon be running. Someone begging for mercy. I put the rules up, prove it to you. I see you trying to kill TICTAC sound. But you never will TICTAC sound. It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day TICTAC kill us in the dance. I won't carry another guy. There's a TICTAC song. Don't you recognize? There's someone that I'm to run. I'm there and I love, cause he's killing some over here. TICTAC is killing some over there. He's killing some all over the place. Lord, yes, he's killing some over here. TICTAC gonna kill you some tonight. TICTAC sound. TICTAC gonna kill you some tonight. TICTAC sound. Killing sound boys every day. Every way. No matter what the jump and play. TICTAC you lead the way. Night and day. TICTAC gonna kill you some tonight.
Hey, boy! You know gunman, son.
Yes, the Siley Redtown Siblings, the king of the reggae bass line. Alongside the big song called TICTAC sound. Omar, big up yourself. Tinger, Energy, Germs, and don't know say, oh, I'm afraid of you. Oh, Cola, watch it. Now, right now, we have murdered them all. Right now, I take the solar. Leroy says so. Bad. TICTAC, how you mean? Kill them again. Kill them again. TICTAC no big friend. Now TICTAC gonna fight them hardly. We don't play time record. Yes, the Siley Redtown Siblings, the king of the reggae bass line. Alongside the big song called TICTAC sound. Omar, big up yourself. Tinger, Energy, Germs, and don't know say, oh, I'm afraid of you. Oh, Cola, watch it. Now, right now, we have murdered them all. Right now, I take the solar. Leroy says so. Bad. TICTAC, how you mean? Nah, watch it. Kill them again. Kill them again. TICTAC, no big friend. Now, TICTAC gonna fight them hardly. We don't play time record. We are gonna fight them to the top. Yeah. We are fighting without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. TICTAC fight them to the top. Yes. So little sound it goes. But we are gonna fight them. Knock out their bundle. We are all this thing. Laugh and sing. TICTAC fighting to the top. Lord will never stop. No, never stop. TICTAC.
Yo, TICTAC. Yeah, man, do remember this is the original tick. I was said tap, just like that, some boy get it up, play contact, shit, them for it. Yes, Brett, Paul, Paso, Wada. I want them dada. Them and the original veteran Jimmy London step down. And big head. And man, me again for them case of murder them and kill a man. Sure.
TICTAC sound in the town. I've seen the snow white mountains of Alaska. I've sailed along the rivers of Peru. I've seen the world and all its 7 wonders. TICTAC, I've never heard a sound play like you. I listen to the great solar play, and I listen to Kilimanjaro every day. I've been to London and I've listened to David Radigan. TICTAC, I've never heard a sound play like you. I've gazed up the white cliffs of Dover. There is not a place I didn't see. Now that my travels are over, TICTAC, I wish that you'd been there with me. I've listened to the great listen to Kilimanjaro every day.
There is a many different events coming and to the lesson TICTAC never is seen and TICTAC is something like the ding how do you mean? Oh, where the vibes is flowing right TICTAC
Conversation.
Yo, TICTAC. No mercy. TICTAC. TICTAC.
How to tell you I never felt this way before. I know there is something today. There is
Big up! I'll send you this red massive, see? Who goes in Jones? Everton blend the nose. Rushing! Rastafari, see? Be my brother girl! Be my brother girl! Be my brother come, yeah, play like the TICTAC. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is feeling unable. Dancing like TICTAC turntable. Come you and play like the TICTAC. Do anything to be a fan club member. No sound is feeling unable. Dancing like TICTAC turntable. TICTAC don't have bad mind. He don't take no part in crime. He only tries to play his best. And TICTAC you've done the way. Now the time has changed. Now we are ready. I've got to keep
No mercy.
and boom!
TikTak sound. Yeah, trumpet sound, the human sound. Out of St. Elizabeth, you know. Wheeling soul say, a boom sound, you know. Father Omar, big up yourself. Fire germs, you know it go already. Tinger eye, big up yourself. Water, you know it go. Energy, big up yourself. Color, big up yourself. Gunnings, you know it go already.
Watch the clock. TICTAC is coming to take your life. Pick up yourself, Omar. Germs, easy a tinger. Cola, and you run the thing, St. Elizabeth massive, big up every time. Marcia Griffiths for the case again. TICTAC in the place. Why? Yeah. There's a sound that I have heard about that's killing all of the sun. TICTAC's the sound I've heard about that's killing all inside. To have TICTAC sound in the dance hall would be like a heaven to me. To have TICTAC sound in the dance hall would be like heaven to me. We're gonna live with TICTAC sound.
Go play another duck number one more. Cause the time is so perilous, and some class get so dangerous. In this time we see no some boys to trust. I would out, but it's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Lord. So I feel use our God in the mountain and swinging the deepest sea, searching for my tower, the TICTAC sound to play for me. How did you take it so long for sound to back and go home? When we later that is a TICTAC and get burned, cause TICTAC shall be them all when it gets its turn. We never lose, cause it's the right of place for you.
See there's some ways in the land, but it don't matter, we ain't on the TICTAC. Kill somewhere in anytime. Yeah, you don't know some big bad TikTok sound. Saint Elizabeth, you don't know. Saint Father Omar, you don't know. Big up yourself every time. Fire Germs, you don't know. Tinger Hype, you don't know. Quata, Energy, Gunnings, you don't know. Your respect up the scene and it's sound testing on dead tonight. Saint Shalom said that. TikTok sound. Someone listen. Since 99, remember how much sound we do. Board box tonight for you and your crew. TikTok tonight, we say we come for last forever. So sound boy, we have views for you. TikTok, I go kill your crew. And your mother, she a bad for you. Remember, say we no bust to do. All a point it a fly through you. We kill enough sound boys them through the years and still live. We kill some more again.
This is Tony Rebel representing for TikTok. Zen, Omar, Tinger, Energy, Germs, Cola. Let me tell you, man, the sound, yeah, it's inevitable, yeah. African song, run it. If Jai's by your side, you won't die. No, you won't die. Boom, boom, boom. Tick-tock a boom, boom, boom. Omar, you a boom. Ticker, you a boom. Energy, you a boom. Let me tell you that. Tick-tock, our lives will be spun inside. And why should we be afraid? I'll find out somewhere one test with tonight. Lord, TikTok, our lives will be spun inside. So why should we be afraid? I'll find out somewhere just not clear to right. Oh, their best they try to harm my and I. Ain't meant to kill, but we kill them still. They are here to make prophecy fulfill. It's Joel. No sound that ever test TikTok sound. Desire shall not be. Divine protection shall set TikTok free. Talk to me, Jai. He's standing by your side. Yes.
Well, I'm better now, running TikTok sound. This is Russia. Some boys are crying. Check it out. Some girls on the night. TikTok is such a night. We got alone, still they thought TikTok was selling our life. Yeah, it's qualified. No one's between tonight. Oh, Victor, and he's always by the side. Take it from the one you get clashing no more. Don't try to compare TikTok sound. We will murder you all. Love is telling you will see. They don't care for free. Show me this special love. Still you be this listen, TikTok sound they play. Free selection every day. They got the start to be jump and make white cry. Either sound them want come test. TikTok sound lay them out to rest. Die, old time by. You know see, TikTok is the sound. TikTok. Oh yeah. TikTok till I jump on them you day. Slow jump on the way. People keep dancing. Big bad sound is playing. Cause it's a dance hall. TikTok them no play no old fun sound. Anything to test them get too down. Oh yeah, TICTAC yeah. TICTAC sound killer jump on. Slow them one by one, yeah. What's a little song they about? No selection TICTAC media sound to the
Hey, you chatty, sound, you must get the beat. TICTAC sound, I don't care in the street. You chatty sound, so you must get the beat. TICTAC sound, I don't kill you in the street. We try a little hustling, we sell some weed. You come from with doorstep and you find two words. Yeah, we name down a station to Sergeant Reed. Friend baby mother, how we know say she a breed. We don't want to do nothing, so you fit take it. We go use dub plate and make you bleed. So you chatty, sound, you must get the beat. TICTAC sound, I don't kill you in the street. You chatty, sound, you must get the beat. TICTAC sound, I don't kill you in the street. Everybody don't know how sound trash run. Be defend yourself, you want a lyrical bun. Dead a night, you say we are brandish a magnum. You run come a sound trash and a by your tongue. And you know how we go when them you don't play run and just fire. And a sound drop sound. So you chatty, sound, you must get the beat. TICTAC sound, I don't kill you in the street.
In the dance hall, TICTAC sound playing fine. And the feeling say that. So we watch your sound roll and you act like you know about TICTAC sound. But your sound is about to get flopped. But as the big killer sound on raise, nowadays love beating sound, yeah, hey. TICTAC is a sound always gonna stay, and we suggest it's simple, pack up and walk away. Boo boo, cause I am myself to know sound there, because no one heard you at all, not even. Sound boy, you have no pride. Ah la 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 long, ah la 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 right to go pan them tell TICTAC. Ah la 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 long, ah la 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 right to go pan them. Standing inside the dance, them a run up their mouth and a brag. TICTAC sound a come to chat and waste time. We compete with them man. We don't blame them, they start get confused. Selector start running wild. Them dumpling stars, and that's no lie. I swore never die. TICTAC just kill a song guy. No them a weep and a beg for your crying no. Someone does a ball and a beg. I said you up no beat you know. You woulda go for Ricky or you go for Chopper. You woulda go for Firehouse or you go for Tower. One song, get a TICTAC song. You know, you woulda go from India or you go from America. You woulda go from Europe or you go from Africa. One song, a TICTAc song. You woulda be a Irishman or a Englishman. You woulda be a Mexican or with a Pakistan. Follow the song, one song, a TICTAc song. Amen.
Yeah, some boy a burn up them face when them see Omar. Call police when them see color. Yo, shuffle up when them see Paul and Waddy. But them can't stop it from calling it paper. Yo, they done on a TICTAC sound, talk of the town. Man like Howell, Brock, Omar, the last Kian. You don't know me, that's spice, don't do it nice, that's a lie.
Yeah man, throw up your bomb back like man. TICTAC sound like a car, you know. Woman shot, burn them out of town. Who's gonna pay the price? Who's next to throw the dice? We live on the sound and back like dice. Yes, we're feeling so high, like they will touch the sky, and they will take another. Like they would cure up a virus, and they would stir up a sinus. Jesus can be worse. And I was Yo. System check. I'm going to chat 2 more songs they do for the bad check. See? When they search the clarity writer so car, you know the tinger. Big up all the for the young for Berlin. You understand? You want big up promoter. First and foremost. You know you book a good party tonight, but not lie. You understand? Big up all who found for support the party, everything good party. You know what I mean? This is going to knock some early song in that ball game car. You don't look about the space. No space, look more for them son. You get what I say? So, there's some big boy going tune into the bar right now, because you know what this is the part of reach. You don't reach now if you don't for create. You have to take good time and go and make promote and make some money. And you know the thing that look more from now. See? So big part of there and go on with the vibes. Especially 2 more songs they're going to knock off for you know. Fully bad check so. How the thing go?
TikTok sound, chopping sound, E1 sound. Out of St. Elizabeth, you know, no jump and test around here. Father Omar, big up yourself. Fire Germs, big up yourself. Tinger Eye, big up yourself. Quarter, big up yourself. Energy, big up yourself. And Color, big up yourself. Gunnings, you know the runnings, you know it go already. Wearing soul says so, you know.
Sound is dying, so boy. Bounty one come test the TikTok sound. Say you want some new that. Run come test the TikTok. Then don't see you hungry. When you are go do know that the TikTok sound I don't know. Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go come and the thing can gone. Where you are, go, know that the TikTok sound as
why I'm them boy, DJ Germ, Jason, DJ Energy, Omar, Mr. Man, Senti. Well, you don't know Mountain Valley, I can't you don't know. But let me tell them some about TikTok sound that they never know. I want to know, yo, when TikTok sound chat, and the pussy when I like it. Grab up on my battery and bite it. We shot pussy, we no cost no fighty. To get a blood clot, we boy go sit down and write it. We hear how no bitey. You fuck girl in a party and stop pussy if you like it. Target IP. A gunshot you will get, you can't take TikTok lightly. But when the blood clot you know about gun. You remember how you used to suck your mother breast when you're young? Same way you feel suck your mama pussy tongue. TikTok good.